Are you living paycheck to paycheck? Here is the one skill you need to escape the cycle forever. Actually, whenever our salary comes, our EMI, credit card payment, car loan payment, house loan payment, household expense, every expense, every EMI are just waiting for the salary. And before the next salary, our whole complete this salary is going to end. And we think because our salary is less, this is happening with me only. But you don't know yourself. This is not the reason. If your salary is 30,000 and you are thinking like this, the person whose salary is 3 lakhs rupees per month, that person is also thinking in the same way. This is not the problem of the salary or less salary or high salary. This is the issue of financial literacy. This is the failure of our education system. That is why we all face the same challenge. So, today's topic is why financial literacy is key. Are you ignorant? Empower yourself, take control of your money. At first, we should understand what is financial literacy and what is the definition of financial literacy. Financial literacy is not mean that earning money only. Earning money is the one part of financial literacy. There are so many things. We should understand how to manage the money, how to multiply the money, how much amount we should put for health insurance premium, what should be the sum insured, how much amount we should pay for the life insurance, and what should be the sum assured for the life insurance, and in life insurance is required for all family members or not, what is emergency fund, how much emergency fund is required, how we can grow our money. So these are the things. If these things are under financial literacy. So we should know the basics of finance, managing money and making informed decision. Today I am going to give you 3 p.m. formula, and I'm requesting to every one of you, you just write it on a notepad and put it on your desk or on the wall of your office or home, everywhere you should put 3 p.m. formula. What is this? 3 p.m. is 3 pair M formula. First pair is money making. It means earning money. We all know about how to earn money and why earning money is important. Second pair is money management. We don't know how to manage money. That is why we all are facing the same challenges. So money management is also crucial. And the third pair is money multiplying, money multiplying. So we must know how to multiply our money. And percentage of return is also important. So multiplying or compounding is the same thing. So when you put your money in a FD and you are getting 7% return, it means if you are putting 1 lakh rupees, after end of the year you will get your principal amount will convert in 1 lakh 7,000, and then next year you will get 7% on 1 lakh 7,000. So if you put your money in share market, you can grow your money at the rate of 25% or more than 25%. It means your money 1 lakh can become 1 lakh 25,000 after 1 year. Then it can grow and you will get the 25% return on 1 lakh 25,000, not on 11 lakh rupees. So this is the feature of compounding. And if you understand how to compound your money now, very soon you will be wealthy person or and rich person. You never see anyone who can become rich from earning. It means you are doing job or business. It means you are earning. Okay. So from earning, you cannot become a wealthy person. Only multiplying is the way. From earning, you can arrange your bread, butter, house, cloth only. But if you want to become wealthy person, rich person, you should understand how to grow your money rapidly, how to compound your money. Understanding the financial system, taxes, you should know taxes, loan, investment, etc. Reality of financial literacy. Globally, there are 60% people, there are lack of basic financial knowledge. This is the reality. 70% Indian adults are financially illiterate. This is the reason. And growing gap in financial awareness. Living paycheck to paycheck. This is the main topic, and how what kind of effort or step we should take so that we can come out from uh, this place. Actually, this is the very worst condition. Avoiding money related conversation is also a big issue. People are not ready to even talk about money, because people think that if we become rich, it means we will be ignorant. Rich people are not good. So this is the thought process. So we should break this thought process. Dependence on other for financial decision. We must understand the finance and basics. Otherwise, some agent will suggest us this is the good policy, you should invest, and we put our money. This is the best investment for the agent, not for me. That is why he is suggesting to invest. So we should understand. Then we can realize that this investment is good or not. Power of financial literacy, freedom from debt. This is the conspiracy. You must understand why our education system is like this. If we become literate, financially literate, how the company, a big company, can make big money. Credit card, banks are selling credit card. If we understand what is the drawback of credit card, then how they can sell. Bank usually call us for home loan, for car loan. They generally give the message or mail. For credit card, for loan. If you go for shopping, they offer for EMI. If we have understanding about finance, then how that company can earn money. So this is the way. Ability to build wealth. This is the power of financial literacy, ability to build wealth, freedom from debt, stress-free living, independence through informed decision making. Benefits of financial knowledge, better budgeting. We make budget, we create budget, but this is not proper budget. That is why we are not able to save our money. And if we are not able to save, then how can our put our money in a for a better place to grow our money? So better budgeting is very important. Smarter investment. We should understand ULIP is not the place to grow your money because in ULIP plan you will get only 6 to 7% interest. Wherever insurance word you find, it means you will get only 6 to 7% return. Okay. Wherever you see guaranteed return, it means you will get only 6 to 7% return. Wherever you see money back return, you will get only 6 to 7% return. Wherever you see guaranteed plan or you can say traditional plan, any traditional plan, you can't grow. So these all plans for the benefit of the company, not for the common people. Then what should we do? We must know which investment is better for us and how can I grow our money at the rate of more than 25%. If you don't have any idea, then you can put your money in mutual fund and you will get at least 10 to 15% return. But my suggestion is rather than putting your money in mutual fund, why don't you put your money directly in the stock market? And the same share, like you can go to the website of that mutual fund, which mutual fund you want to buy, and you can search there and you can find where that mutual fund company is going to invest your money. And you just noted down the name of the stock and you can put your money in the same stock. And the benefit is you will save the expense ratio. They charge 0.5% to 2% expense ratio on your principal amount, not on your profit. So you are paying a big money as the expense ratio in that time when you are just holding. Like you're buying the mutual fund in 2024 and you will sell on 2034 after 10 years. Every year you need to pay the expense ratio to the mutual fund. But if you put your money in stocks, same stocks, where that mutual fund is going to put, when you are buying the share and when you are selling the share, only two times you need to pay the service charge, some brokerage charge. No need to pay when you are just holding your investment. If you see, this is mind blowing, no? Just write it down in the comment box, mind blowing or MB. Building an emergency fund is also important. We must know. Planning for retirement, it is crucial. Taking action, your first step, start with budgeting. Make a healthy budget, good budget for your entire whole year, whole financial year. Educate yourself about basic financial concept. Basic financial concept you should be clear about basic financial knowledge from books, from social media, wherever you feel comfortable. Or you can take the professional advice. This is the takeaway. Financial literacy is essential for making informed money decision. Without financial literacy, we can't take perfect decision. Most people are financially literate, but they can be changed. Actually, we can change it. And I'm sure if you start today, within a month, you will have a confidence that now you are financially literate. Financial education leads to better financial health and freedom. Take control of your financial future today. Subscribe to my channel for more financial tips. Join the next free webinar. You can join actually every Sunday. I organize a webinar. Okay, and that webinar is in Hindi language. And if you are comfortable in Hindi language, you can join my webinar. You just go to my website www.happinessallaroundwithsanjeev.com, or you can download my mobile app on Play Store. You just search Happiness All Around with Sanjeev and just download this app, and you will get the webinar link there, on the website or on the mobile app, and you just claim your spot on the webinar and connect to me on the webinar on Sunday at 11 a.m. This is the 60 minutes of webinar, and after joining the webinar, you will get one free one-to-one session, 30-minute session with me. Follow me on social media for daily updates. Thank you so much to all of you for watching my video. And if you think that this video is going to change your entire financial game, please share this my video to all your relatives, all your friends, everyone. Thank you so much. Please like, subscribe, and comment. Thank you.